Hi all, I just saw another update on the old sailboat. This I've got to get done, the trailer. This part not too bad, needs a bit of a paint, but underneath I've got to check the suspension and then get the mudguards back on. Even I don't think they've ever been on here actually. And I want to replace all the rubbers and the skids at the back because they're perished. And what I want to show you is what I've got for the interior. There's one piece there which I think is warped. We'll replace, but the other pieces are really nice. So I want to get all the interior in and show you it. I've ordered the lights, I've ordered the bulbs. She's quite clean. I started cleaning it properly. Get there. Right. Excusez-moi. See, quite tidy. Oh, I tell you what I've been doing as well. They've got twin drop keels. So I don't know if I mentioned that or not. And they'd sort of not seized, but they'd started sticking a bit, so like that. So all you can do is just just keep moving them like this one until they free up. I did this one was doing quite well. Oh, there you go. So I keep doing that, and we'll get the cab off. And I'm going to paint inside, not today. I don't know, it might feel if I fancy it. But I want to get all the interior in and tidy this up. So I'll get you back in a bit. Right, so far what we figured out is these they fit there because the way they're shaped. I don't think those lids fit. All the other bits are in. So if you look, they're a bit weird. Okay, so where do those two go? And I've got the piece for the front. This is the piece. Hold on, I'll show you that. He's at the front. Okay, now I'm in a bit of a dilemma. Hold on one sec. Okay, seems to fit. It's not the best, but it's not going to come off. It's all right. Let's try the other side. Okay, yeah, it fits. It just needs repairing. I think if you look here, the buttons on the inside are missing. Bit weird. But it looks like as well I've got, there must be a piece in here missing because this becomes a double berth. Okay, and what are them for? So I know there's a toilet that goes here. So if anybody can shed any light, please leave a message down below. I'm a bit lost. I'm going to have to find some drawings, but I can't find any anywhere. I've had a look. Right, so that's that bit. I'm going to do the top today. I'll tell you what I'll do now as well. I've got the cushions, and I'll show you what it looks like with the cushions, and that gives me more of an idea of what we're dealing with. Okie dokie, I thought we were short, but sussed it out. So I don't know what to do about this. This is the toilet, goes there. So it says it's a 4-berth. I've just got the cushions mixed up, but there you go. And it fits perfect. And same this side. Village people go. So you could keep on this quite comfortably. They are quite nice, they're comfortable. I've got a toilet, so that must stop it from coming out, so you just have a board across there. And next, I'll just get everything together that I've got. If you're interested, I'll get the rudder out in a bit. This interior, I suppose, could sleep 2 kids. Not my kids. 6'4", the other's 6'2". The girls might fit in there. No, the one's 5'11". So, yeah. So there might be another cushion somewhere. I haven't got it, so I don't know where that is. I'm thinking just a coat of paint, white. I'm thinking of doing the outside white instead of this. I don't like this blue. Yuck. I've got a deep blue, but I thought if I go white, because it's warm in here at the moment. Right. Okay, how's that look? Better, didn't it? I'll clean up a little bit dirty in there. I've got new foam for the window, new seal. I think I told you about that. I'll show you that. I'll put a link in the description below. It's a rubber foam that fits around the inside sticky back. This has got to be what I told you, yeah. It's starting to rain a bit now. I'll show you this is the rudder setup. I don't know if that comes undone or what. I did use it before, so I think I know. It's alright. Here we go. So this comes out. Slide ready, slip it in. These are the two cockpit drain plugs. So it's is it auto drain, whatever they call it? Yeah. So with this rudder, I'm not too sure, and someone asked if anybody can advise me. I got 3 rudders that came with it. What I've seen on the net, or people using it, they use this big rudder, which is fine. But when it comes to sort of, well, you don't want to beach it, but when you come to land, I suppose, you just lift it up, same as you do with the 2 keels. Right, let's get this fitted, I'll show you it fitted. It's difficult to do this. Right, there we go. Line up the tiny pinhole, pop him in, and that's your rudder. Oh, it's gone wrong in there. So, I mean, it drops down further than that, so there's a mess at the back. There's a spare tyre and one on there. And that'll drop down. I've got every single bit. I've also bought loads and loads of bits I forgot I even got. So the next will be, not today, but we'll have to get the mast up and the boom and have a look at all that puts together. I think I've got nearly everything I need. Is just getting my butt into gear and getting it sorted. Okay, so the pin drops down from the top and the bottom one is already there, the pin at the bottom. I'm not trying to tell anybody how to sail, I'm just showing you what I've got. So that's a weird one. So I have seen them where they put a hole in the rudder there, and then a piece of rope coming up, not onto that, that's for the main boom. Then I've got to figure out, I haven't done it all yet, I'm having to play. How much do you think about the colour? I'm going to go white, like I said. Don't like this. And on the end there, you've got 2 holes, so I presume you can put a clip on there, and then you can sort of put the rudder into position where it stays. So the tiller is like stuck in that position. Okay, that's it, quick update. Showing the interior, what I've got, and the rudder. I've got 3, and I'm not, let me just show you the rudders, and someone out there could probably give me a bit of advice. Okay, so main tiller arm, main rudder, and it came with that one. Let me just go back, the small one, or the humongous one. I really don't know. Does anybody give me advice? What difference does it make? And also, do you attach it? He said the bloke made them up. The bloke I got it from, which was a few years ago, the boat, said he'd sailed it. It's really great, and I don't think he had. I don't think he'd sailed it because the rolling reef was damaged. You couldn't have used that. And he said it was new. The sail's new, but the rolling reef was not usable. And there was a few things wrong with the mast as well. A few things missing. I've done them. The forestay, and I don't know the terms. I'm learning them as I go along. So there you go. Anybody knows? Is it bigger, better, or smaller, more convenient? Advice. Look at that. That's up to my hip. So that's over my hip, and I'm a 6-footer. So please, any advice on that would be greatly appreciated. And do I put a rope in it, and can I pull it back up? It looks like on the rudder. If I can show there, look. See them? The 2 grooves. What are they for? Any help appreciated. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Not too boring, I hope. Okay, just got lights, a bit of a clean. Just going to take it apart, and the glass, beautiful. It's all pretty clean now. Looks in good nick actually. The bulbs come with those LEDs, so I'm going to take this apart, take this off, and give it a test for you now. Just undone the 2 screws. If I can do this. Oh, there we go. Pop the wires out and I'll put a new one in, and I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, I'm going to put a tie back. A tie wrap, is it? Or tie right in the middle, and that stops it from being. It shouldn't pull through anyway because it's not going anywhere. But I'll do that and it'll secure it. Okay, fits nice. Black, the white wire with the black line in. Neutral. Oh, there we go. It is. It's there you go. So yeah, not bad. So it still works okay. That's one less job to do. Let's see what it looks like with the glass on. Okay, job done. Pretty bright for a stern light. This is daylight, so yeah, that'll do the job. I've got 2 bulbs, £2.50, 2 LEDs. Works fine.
Okay, feeding wire through.
Tidal loop. In that, I'm just going to chuck it down the back here. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm going to go inside. Pinch the wife's washer line. Oh, sorry. Ow, 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 ow. I'll have to put you down for a sec. Uh-oh. 2 seconds, where's that? Right, I'll have to put you down for a sec. Control panel's going to go here. I've got some conduit which is sticky back, but I'm going to glue it as well, and I'll get one of the small grandchildren down there. But we've got the cable. There we go. Okay, I'll add this to the video. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching. So the stern light is now done. Oh look, I've got a snail. Dead. Stern light's done. Wires in for that. Control panel will go here, which is like by the door. I've got the boxes ordered, the switches ordered, the lights are ordered, everything. So wait for the next update.